Good morning, peeps from camp here at Camp Peddler Parish. Yes, so the first wild camp, kinda. And well, here's the spot. It's pretty nice. Beautiful view of these rolling hills. And yeah, this is not permitted, peeps. Just don't do it at home. But my mate said it's fine here in Bulgaria, so just do it. It's like this country is the chillest country on earth, and I'm kind of tired because, well, wild camping is cool, but for me, I don't sleep so well in a tent. And I heard the jackals during the night and stuff. It was nice, but still, no showers and stuff. And yeah, peeps, thank you for watching, and today episode, oh, so tired, episode 56, and I'm kinda hungry, so yeah, maybe we need to eat some jackals. So I'm going to do some touristy stuff today at Shumen, and then, yeah, and then going to the other place, Madara Rider, yeah, that's it. Okay, so leaving this place soon. Pretty lovely to wild camp. Rather be in nature than in some guest house that smells like smoke and alcohol. That's the deal, peeps, when on the road. Let's do this, peeps. Yeah, so living Camp Peddler Parish now. It was nice wild camping. I found another spot than the one at the hunter's place. So yeah, it was pretty dope. Here's the hunter's cabin. So yeah, peeps, definitely recommend wild camping here in Bulgaria because there's not so many peeps. And you have some nice jackals howling during the night. And the weather is nice, that's why I'm wild camping. Because it's kind of warm, even though it's October. Hopefully no flats today. Long live Bulgaria. Episode 56, Monday morning, heading to see the world's heaviest communist building at Shumen, and then going to check out the Madara Rider. So, no idea where I'll end up tonight, as always. So yeah, just do it. Just push it, baby. I'm feeling pretty great. I think I slept really good. Even though I slept lightly, and I bet that is because of the silence of nature here, in the edge of the Balkan Mountains. So yeah, peeps, let's do this. Let's do this. Welcome to Shumen. There's the monument. This is Shumen, home boys. Kinda uplifting Monday morning here in Shumen. And they have this crazy tower here in the middle of the town. No idea what it's supposed. It's insane. Going for the typical drink, boza. Doesn't smell good, gotta tell you. Bulgarian boza. Tastes really weird, peeps. Tastes like beans or something. Here in Shumen. Pretty uplifting place. Yeah, it was not that bad. Boza. I think everyone drinks it here, at least in the bakery. Everyone just buys a boza and some bread. That's the typical cuisine here in Bulgaria. Hello, doggo. Nothing against the Boza, but I prefer this. Classic iron. Good for your health. Climbing the hill to the monument. Because I don't do walking. Of course, you gotta take your bike. Up at the plateau. Here it is, peeps. That's a nice part of cycling, that you can just cycle into all the monuments. If it's permitted, of course. Long live Bulgaria and the EU. This is pretty insane, peeps. It's huge, this monument. It's like a massive church. I don't know what to say. It's pretty big and huge and lots of concrete. It was created to commemorate the 1,300 years of the foundation of the Bulgarian State, opened in 1981 by the People's Republic of Bulgaria. Look at that, baby. Stairs down. Yeah, peeps, I'm cycling, so I'm taking the stairs. And this is the lion that represents the spirit of the Bulgarian people. And over there you can see Madara, where I'm going next. To the UNESCO-listed place. I mean, peeps, this building in Shumen is hilarious. It's a brutalist block that never was finished. Spread up if you ask me. Some funny houses here. The Shumen, Ethiopia. Approaching the cliffs. The Madara Rider, made in the 8th century, 1,300 years ago, by the first Bulgarian Empire. Some pagan peeps, can you believe that? And we still don't know why they built it. But it's an incredible work of art, according to UNESCO. The remains of a Roman villa. This place is full of history. So that's why UNESCO listed it as a heritage place. Because there's lots of stuff here to see. It's like Pompeii here. This place reminds me of Ivanova. There's some rock churches here and caves. And there's nobody here as always. I'm the only peep here. Everyone's home working. There it is, the rider. And you can say you can barely see it actually. But it's pretty up here in this big cliff. There's this dog chasing it, and then the rider over a lion. Yeah, peeps, so that was the rider, and heading off to discover the place here, the other monuments. It's in okay shape, the rider, so yeah. It was covered in red plasters, just so you know, so it didn't look like this. Like all of the Greek and Roman sculptures, they were usually painted. I mean, they were always painted. So this guy looked a different way, but it looks pretty dope yet, you know, here on the cliffs. An old Bulgarian shrine with a holy rock. Leveled natural rocks by the Bulgarians. Yeah, peeps, this doesn't look like too much, but these are astonishing examples of past cultures and what they left behind. It's a privilege to be here enjoying it. Well, these guys just became sand. Well, it is pretty cool, peeps. They really put the rider in this amazing location. I mean, look at that. This is really cool. Wow. Not a bad place to put a fortress. Windy descent. I'm a real tourist now, peeps. Cave number 1. Gotta tell you, the ones I didn't know were cooler. A rock chapel. And a prehistoric cave. This one was pretty cool. Let's go. And here's an amazing natural amphitheater. Echo! Well, peeps, it was definitely very cool, this place. And still I know, and tonight, I think I'll go to a guest house here. Close by. Close by! What's going on there? It's a cat over there. Yeah, so that's the deal. Weird echo here. I thought it was a peep over there. So guest house tonight, having a shower. So here's the guest house, peeps, in this touristic area. It's really nice, touristic hut. And yeah, thank you for watching episode 56. Not so much serious cycling today, but the morning was lovely after the wild camping. And yeah, from the Madara Rider here at Madara in Bulgaria, thank you so much. And tomorrow is going to be 100k to Varna, so that's why I need to stay in a chill place like this one with this amazing view. So yeah, thank you, and pedal or perish. 10 euros for this view, priceless.